Good morning, guys. It's Greg from Dear Blogger, and welcome to our video on 10 ways to earn money blogging, updated for 2019. So you just learned how to start a blog, or maybe you have a blog from before and it's looking pretty good. Well, now is a good time to monetize that blog, because the sooner you set up ways to make money blogging, the sooner you'll actually earn money, maybe 3 or 6 months down the road. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 10 real ways I've actually used to profit and make money blogging, with examples on this blog here and on other blogs around the web that I know are absolutely killing it. And the best thing is, every step we look at here is 100% free to set up and enjoy. Just like this donut shop Keurig I just brewed myself in our building lobby, or a treat for your pet. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump in. So we're going to log in and look at our first way to make money blogging. And that would be Google AdSense. So AdSense is something we almost all hear about when we want to start a blog. You can sign up for free at google.com/AdSense/start. And as long as you've made a WordPress blog with your own domain name and hosting, and a few blog posts to show you actually care about writing content, you should get accepted. Learning AdSense is sort of like learning skiing. It's easy to get started and get down the hill, but it gets more complicated to really become a pro at AdSense. It's hard to know what all these data metrics mean, and this balance you see over here is actually a combination of money I made on websites and YouTube videos. But like I said, to get started is a breeze. You just click on Ads, then Add Units, then under Create New Ad Unit, Display Ads. Look at that, Google set up a relevant advertisement for us already about coffee. So just give your ad a name, like blog tutorial, and click create. Next, they'll give you some code, but don't let that stop you. You just need to copy and paste this somewhere on your WordPress blog, ideally in the sidebar. So we're going to copy everything from the script to the script. Right click copy. Now we go back to WordPress, and we can hover on appearance and click widgets. And we're going to scroll down to the text widget, add it to our main sidebar, add widget. Now click on the text tab, and we're going to paste in that code and save it. Now when we look at our blog, any page that uses the sidebar, like a typical blog post, will showcase your ad. It just takes a little while to show up, maybe a few minutes, because it's a new ad, and it doesn't help that we have an ad blocker running. When people click on your ad, you'll earn anywhere from a few cents to $1 to maybe even up to $20, depending on how valuable the ad is to the brand that decided to purchase the ads from Google. The next way to generate money blogging, which I find even more profitable than AdSense, is affiliate marketing. You can affiliate market any product you use. For example, this blog uses the Astra theme, and in Google, I know that Astra has an affiliate program because I looked up Astra affiliate program. I actually just joined this affiliate program, so hopefully when they let me in, I'll get a custom link just like you would, which you can put on your site. For example, maybe in the footer saying something like, my site was built with Astra, like this design, you can use Astra too. And that way when they click that link, they'll go to Astra, get the theme, and you'll get a commission. You can also affiliate market for Theme Forest, which is probably the largest theme vendor in the world. So you basically have all these products which you didn't have to create, but you can recommend to your audience in something like a review post, and then they'll pay you if you actually successfully recommend customers. If you want to see examples of someone doing affiliate marketing really well, check out Smashing Magazine and just look up best WordPress themes. For years now, Smashing Magazine has been reviewing WordPress themes in different categories. They do super well with Google search rankings, and every time you click on one of them, they might stand to earn a commission. Now, one commission is not a lot, but consider millions of people visiting this website every year, checking out blog posts like this, and you get the picture. So the third way I like to make money on a blog is affiliate marketing for your web hosting provider. As many of you know, I recommend HostGator web hosting. I've used them for almost 10 years now, and they've been absolutely priceless and essential to my success online. Now, every web host has an affiliate program. I just like HostGator's the best because they have really nice people who coach you on how to be successful and make money, and they pay you up to $125 per sale. So you just click on affiliates, and then you can see all the information right here. The next step would be to hit sign up for free, make an account, and get started. Let's click customize on our blog, and let's see how to put that link in the footer. So again, we're using the Astra theme, so it has a really easy footer customizer. We're just gonna go down to layout and click footer bar, and we can change the copyright area. So what I like doing is making a vertical bar and then saying powered by Astra theme, vertical bar, hosting by HostGator, vertical bar. So then what you do is write out a link to HostGator right here. So if someone needs hosting, they can go ahead and get the same hosting you use because they know it's good. Then when you publish it, X out, you can see our changes in the footer. So now it's highlighted in that white link, looks really good. And when someone clicks on it, everything should be working perfectly and you get the commission if they sign up through your link. Okay, so for our fourth way to make money blogging, let's move away from marketing and talk content. A lot of the times people will want to publish articles on your blog and they'll even be willing to pay you for it. That's one way I made money with my first blog, which was a college advice site called honestcollege.com. And another word for this technique is sponsored posts. So what you need to do is basically create a Write For Us page, which tells people exactly what they need to do to get published on your blog and where to send a post. Along with that page, you can include a clause saying like, we also accept sponsored posts. This is our rate. If you'd like to publish a post about this, this, and this, and include links and images about your brand and all that, we'd be happy to do it for you for this rate payable via PayPal. Hopefully pretty soon you'll start getting emails that ask about your guest post rate. I can't show you the full emails, but as you can see, I have plenty of requests that I still need to respond to. And a lot of these people are actually willing to pay to publish a guest post because they're writing on behalf of a company or a brand with a budget for it. The fifth way to earn income blogging is generating banner ads like these, or even like this one at the top here. Banner ads are just custom images you put into your sidebar where you add a link to a brand. People will pay you to put the ad in your sidebar. You can charge them more money for how big the ad is or how high up it is on the page. And with these ads, you can use affiliate tracking links, or you can just put a link to the brand. The reason I like banner ads so much is because it teaches you how to create an ad on your own. You can do so in the new post editor using a simple image. You just click add media and start creating and use this as your little canvas. So the sixth way to make money blogging is going to be to actually publish ads on your blog on behalf of a hub. So instead of reaching out to brands and being like, do you want me to advertise you? Or just putting up their ads, which you can do from our past example, you're gonna look up a hub for publishing ads and getting paid, for example. So everyone's telling us that hub pages is a good idea. You can read this review, for example, on realwaystoearnmoneyonline.com. Let me know any questions or roadblocks you find, and I'll try to list more and more useful networks and links below in the comments or in the video notes. Okay guys, so the seventh way to earn money blogging is great if you don't get accepted to AdSense. There are many other networks like Sovrn who will pay you to put ads on your blog, and a lot of them have structures which might make you make more money than Google AdSense would. Now I've only made chump change like in the range of $100 or so with Sovrn, but if you check out a blog like Pinch of Yum, you'll see that they actually do use Sovrn successfully. I'm gonna go down to where they list what they make. For example, in 1 month here, which was back in 2014, they made $23,000, and part of that was from Sovrn to the tune of almost $5,000. We're already on the seventh way to generate money blogging, but using the list on Pinch of Yum, you could come up with like 5 or 6 more options. Like gourmet ads, super cool, didn't even know about them. Believe me, it really pays to do your research and ask me questions. Okay, so the eighth way to earn money blogging is using Amazon Associates. Once you sign up for Amazon Associates, which is free, you'll get this Amazon Associates site stripe. What that helps you do is any product you're looking at, for example, like these cool headphones, once you're on the product page itself, then you can easily choose get link for text, image, or text plus image. I usually like text. So they give you this nice Amazon short link, which is customized to you as the marketer. I should probably make that link a different color, like orange or Google Blue, so it stands out. But now when one of your readers clicks on that link, we'll have successfully affiliate marketed to Amazon. Okay, so the ninth way to blog for money, which I've enjoyed success at, it's a nice change up from all these other automated processes like advertising and affiliate marketing. And that's going to be writing for a company in your area of expertise using Upwork. So Upwork lets you post jobs, but it also lets you find jobs through things like content writing. So once you're on Upwork, all you need to do is find a link to apply as a freelancer, fill out the information, and then tell them like what sorts of writing you're good at. Or you can click how it works. Make sure you're on the if you're working tab. And as it says, you can find rewarding projects. Once Upwork approves your account and you start getting some jobs, they'll actually pay you through the site, and you can earn money for a lot more than just writing, like web developing or design too. I've had a lot of success through a website called Hosting Advice because I specialize in web hosting tips and tricks and how to use it. Hosting Advice told me to sign up through Upwork, so then they email me gigs and I say yes to them through Upwork, and then I get paid, and it's a really cool, harmonious process. Okay guys, so the 10th and final way to make money blogging we're going to feature in this video is to become a coach. Here I am on the Corey Writer website. Corey has been my coach in blogging, offering inspiration, really good writing, and all sorts of tips I couldn't come up with on my own. And she also coaches plenty of other people in Canada and around the world. So to become a coach, you would basically just need to do what Corey does, or maybe reach out to her and get her tips and her story on how she became such a cool person who helps writers and bloggers. Once you get some success coaching, you can create a testimonials page, which should hopefully inspire other people to hire you. You can become a coach in pretty much any area of blogging, wherever you find you benefit the blogosphere and the world in general the most. And the single most important criteria to position you as a successful coach is your blog. So go ahead and start that WordPress blog and create that coaching page. Alright guys and girls, so that does it for 10 ways to earn money blogging updated for 2019. Please smash that like button and if you learned anything here, and more importantly, let me know any tips we missed that you find useful to make money on your own blog. Or if you feel like it, go ahead and show off some real examples of how you've made money blogging in the comments below. Can't wait to hear from you, good luck, and cheers to another year making revenue blogging and doing what you love.